Hello everyone, welcome to Exam Preparation Guru channel. This is Vivek Reddy. Thank you for joining us and let's create something together. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notification bell so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Today's topic is basics of machine learning. In this video we have learned about artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning. Coming to artificial intelligence, the main and basic definition of artificial intelligence is it is a branch of computer science by which we can create intelligent machines which can behave like a human, think like a humans, and able to make decisions. Intelligence is an inherent part of human brain. When we try to replace this intelligence in machines, then it is called artificial intelligence. AI make new revolution in the world by making intelligent machines. Artificial intelligence exists when a machine can have human-based skills such as learning, reasoning, and problem-solving skills. Artificial intelligence associated with computer science, psychology, neuroscience, biology, maths, sociology, etc. And coming to machine learning. Machine learning is a part of artificial intelligence which can make predictions using patterns and trends recognitions in data. The machine learning algorithms have self-learning capabilities and do not require human interface for error calculations. ML algorithms adapt themselves on their own data and learn from previous data to show results for the new feed into the system and also identify the hidden trends and patterns in the data. Examples of machine learning. Google Maps for showing correct path and the shortest route. Google Assistant for looking for a particular information. Alexa, Amazon. Online cab service price recommendations, product recommendations, email spam and malware filtering, automatic language translations, automatic friend tagging and suggestions on Facebook, Instagram, and other social media platforms. Coming to deep learning. Deep learning is a part of machine learning. Deep learning generally is a neural network with three or more layers. Neural network is an attempt to simulate the behavior of human brain. Deep learning requires large data and thus provide high accuracy. Examples chatbot, face recognitions, virtual assistants. Job in machine learning. There are several jobs in machine learning. Some of them are machine learning engineers, data scientist, big data engineer, data analyst, data engineer. So that's it guys for this video and thank you.